Hi and what's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Andy and I am in Westlands, bringing to you this spacious and luxurious 3-bedroom apartment for rent. And as you can see, it has this open plan kitchen and it is coming with this servant quarter, which is fully detached. This is the door. This is the bathroom for the servant quarter. So these are the cabinets of the kitchen, and this is the laundry area. Let's proceed and have a look at the other rooms. This is the master room. As you can see, the storage is pretty well with good natural lighting, and this is it. This is the arrangement of the master bedroom. It has the bathtub, giving it such a good luxury. This is the second bedroom. By the way, all rooms are ensuite with good natural lighting. Yeah, they also have this beautiful mirror. Yeah, and I also love the storage of this particular house. This is the last bedroom. This is the storage. This is how it looks like. This is the washroom for this one. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.